Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, first let's enter settings, then go to the sound and vibration section, and then to the Do Not Disturb. So here you can switch this mode. Here you can set up a schedule for it. You can select on which days it will repeat, start time, end time. You can also allow interruptions. It could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorite contacts only, or from nobody. The same goes to messages. There's also an option repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.